Hey everyone, it's your boy Legend of V92 here with a random video. It's time for another round of Armstrong if he voiced lines for Monster Truck Madness Addon trucks. Enjoy!
Nintendo Speedster, General Lee, Dodge Infernal, Grait White, Futuristic Supra, Fireball, Fine Beast, Team Tweety, KoRn, Turok 2 Cruiser, Forest Ranger, Army Transporter, Quakemobile, Bannana 101.5, Dr. Katz, No Problem, Ecto 1, Bigfoot Fastrax, Inky 1/3, Supertruck, Air Shell Elite, Fiberglass, Venom, GRA-Plow Truck, Intimidator PaintDoctor, Homer Limo, Intimidator IV, Police Lamborghini, Ratface, Ram Racing, Snowman, Fiberglass Rampage, Fiberglass Nitemare, Fiberglass Bearfoot, Fiberglass Trucks 3-in-1, the official JLS truck. Wow! Beast, Maxley, Solar, Street Ram 2, Opens Ultra Kill 3, Blue Voodoo, Night Stalker, Old Truck, TTCC Chuckles, Billy, CNR, Big Bad CC.
Well, that's all for today's video. It was great to hear Armstrong speak again for us some more on truck add-on names. If you wish to play with Army's voice model, he's on Uberduck.com. More is on the way. See you next time. Until then, enjoy life.
This is Army Armstrong. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the whole 9 yards of car-crushing monster trucks. See you later. God bless. Stay buddy. Credits to Uberduck.AI for the text-to-speech voice cloning site.